What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James E. Today we're gonna go over TSMP and the technicals that I'm seeing in these last few days. But before I do that, man, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything that I find interesting in the stock market. And I like to share that with anybody who's willing to listen. It is Christmas Eve, so Merry Christmas to you all. You are all very appreciated for watching, leaving comments, subscribing. Everybody, Merry Christmas to you. It's a huge Christmas gift for me that you guys are actually watching and I get to do this. So that being said, man, let's just get right into it. TSMP, we finally getting those moves. You know, we talk about the technicals. If you guys haven't watched any of my previous videos, please go and do so. But this is what I really want to talk about. This is the 10-day, 30-minute chart. But if you look at that, after we had that bullish flag, we're just having this steady grind. And it's such a beautiful thing. It's reaching levels that I didn't even anticipate this quickly. And then if you could look into today, obviously we had an early day because it's Christmas Eve. But it's been showing the same technicals for the last few days. We've been getting these nice pops in the morning, and then a drop, and then a grind up. Pop in the morning, drop, grind up. Pop in the morning, drop, then it popped right back up. So it's continuing that pattern for the last 3 days, and then it's maintaining near those highs. And as you can see, we pretty much got a clear base right here. Get a line in there right above the 9.5 area. A clear basing right here. We did wind up having a red day, but again, volume wasn't too bad. Volume was still pretty low, but again, we didn't really have a whole day of trading. So you know that probably played a factor in the volume as well. But the one thing I am seeing is that we are having this resistance level at 21. We are having a little bit of difficulty, as you can see right here at top today at 29.5. So I think we're going to show a little bit of struggle at this 21 level. But once we break through that 21 level, we got a great path to 24 and 25. And then once we clearly break that 24, 25 level, we got a straight shot up to the 35 and 36 area. So that's pretty much what I'm seeing in the technicals right now. Is it a buy at this price? For me personally, just watching the steady grinding action, you know, I don't want to say yes and I don't want to say no. Me personally, I'm already in it. Am I going to increase my position at this point? No. But I do see heavy resistance right here. We're seeing resistance in that 21 area. So if it continues to tap on its door and continue to get rejected, then I would be patient and wait for a dip to purchase. But if it cleanly breaks that 21 area, again with OTCs, multi-day breakouts are actually a pretty good pattern in the OTC market. So if it does break that, that could be a potential signal to buy, and then where you could collect a nice, 3 or 4 cents up to the next level. But because due to that tight window from 21 to 24, it may potentially just bust right through, or it could see some type of rejection. But the way I'm seeing it right now is just still a steady grind. It's actually grinding a little bit faster and a little bit sooner than I actually anticipated. But that's a good thing for us that are really bullish on this company. And then again, everything is solidified in all the research and analysis I have done. Please go watch those videos in my channel. So, if it does happen to break that level, that is a good time to buy, from my opinion. But if it keeps rejecting against that level, then I would just wait for a dip, because we could possibly get a dip back to the 14 and 15 area before we see that move again to where it's headed to the top. But I do believe 2021 is going to be a huge year for Humble. TSMP, they're going to transition to their ticker symbol Humble, which I believe is going to be HMBL. And once they do that, man, I see big things for this company, because it's a brand new company and they got big things popping. So again, I think just the whole TSMP symbol itself, once that's gone, we should have a clear path with a high trajectory. But Yeah, man. Humble will be on a lot of people's watch list for 2021, and I do believe that ticker change is coming in January 2021 at towards the end of January. So yeah, man. So just some quick technical analysis on it. We obviously are seeing resistance here. So again, if anybody's interested in purchasing this, I would actually wait for a clean break over 21 or watch how it tests those levels. And if it bounces off 21 and can't break it, then we're most likely going to get a dip before we finally have a rip again. And I think the dip would be, if it dips down to the 15s, that would be a great purchase entry price to purchase at. And I think that would be pretty good. But if it does cleanly break that 21, then we could have a clear path to retesting the highs once it breaks the 21, and just depending on how it reacts to that 24 level. So again, guys, technical analysis and OTCs are very important. OTCs mostly go off of technical analysis. And so just remember that if we have a clean break, that is a potential buy. But if it's having trouble break the 21, then wait for the dip, because most likely there will be a dip if it can't break through that 21 area. So again, guys, leave a comment. Let me know where you think this is going to be. Let me know how you guys been doing. I've been getting a lot of comments, in my videos, and people telling me how well they've been doing these last few days on TSMP, making big money. You guys leaving comments is very much appreciated, man. I enjoy reading all the comments. I enjoy interacting with all of you. For me personally, it's pretty awesome to have people to talk to about the stocks I'm actually involved in, and to get your guys' opinions and perspectives as well. So again, man, if you watch this far, please click that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. You Can't Stop Mafia is a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place where you can do that. So TSMP, man, it's looking really, really bullish. We'll see what happens when it starts retesting that 21 area again. And once it breaks that 21 area, that's a good buy signal. But if it does not break it, I would wait for a dip and then potentially purchase it there. So that's going to be it on TSMP, guys. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.